For ISOs, we use Isogen. It's a very common tool to create isometric drawings. Let me show how easy this is to create. Then again, I select from menu group ISO and also the tab isometric drawings. In this case, I want to create ISO of the pipe from the pumps. So when I create ISO, I just select product ISO and I can select from the either project or from the current drawing. In this case, I have a line number called 3003, so I select 3003, then next. And then you can also select the type of ISO you want. In this case, I also want a mixed metric ISO, then create. Then Isogen starts and then creates a drawing from the exported PCF from the model to the Isogen. As it says, you will see isometric creation complete, no error or warnings found. Then take a little click on this one and then you will see the information about the ISO and where it's located. You can also copy this to a clipboard if you want to keep some kind of tracking or revision on these things. Close. As you see, it's called 3003 and then I01. I will explain that a little later. Let's open this one and take a look how it looks like. As you see, this is now a production ISO. In mixed metric, it gives you tag number on the valves and weld numbers and tag number for the bill of materials and so on and so forth. It also gives you a complete bill of material and also gives you the part number for the component and of course also a cut list. This cut list gives you the end code for the pipe, but also if you want you can enable it to actually take away the weld length for the pipe and so on. So that took about 10 seconds to create the ISO. Okay, let's see if I want to do a revision. Save this one, close it. In this case, if you take a look at this pipe, it has a 6-inch pipe and connected to 8-inch pipe. In this case, I want to change this one because this is wrong. It should actually be an 8-inch T and then have to move the reducer. It's very simple actually. You select the component, go to properties, select 8-inch, and then automatically updates everything for you. In this case, it creates a reducer, insert a reducer end of the T and also move the reducer. So this is now updated and that took about 10 seconds again. And now we have to create a new ISO. So again, select production ISO, current drawing, and then 3003 and next. Same ISO, mixed metric, and then create. Then Isogen again starts up from the file, PCF files, no warning arrow found. Then you'll see it's actually create one I02. This is the second one, so that keep your track. So in this case, this will be the last one, but you can also keep the old one and it gives you an extension on which the latest version is. So, and take a look, and now you have added and everything's been changed with the reducer and the T and so on and so forth. So that's the isometric.